Hello friends. Earlier videos I have described how our chakras are getting different kind of vitiation or pollution which disturbed our physical and mental balance. But now I am going to disclose the main point and the very important matter that how these all chakras are getting affected. बोलने में तकलीफ इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़े बड़े साइंटिस्ट इनके ऊपर काम किया, लेकिन इनको प्रूव करने के लिए सिर्फ डाउजर का डाउजिंग डिवाइस ही यूज होता है. नो साइंटिफिक डिवाइस इज देयर which can actually measure properly the quantum of the trouble. Von Paul, he has invented one machine, but that is not that popular. Everyone can't afford or they can purchase that machine. In Von Paul scale, we can see the quantum of geomagnetic energy or geopathic stress. Apart from that, we are suffering from electrosmog also, which is affecting every single individual in a very dangerous manner. If you can see, you can find that lot of young people, they are also suffering from cerebral problem or heart related problem, sugar and diabetic problem, kidney related problem, pancreas problem is increasing every day. Obesity, nymphomania, kleptomania, insomnia, schizophrenia, this all different kind of disease, it is increasing and people are suffering. Kids are not also exempted. They are also suffering equally. So it is important to protect your household area, your office premises, and individually you have to take care of yourself also. If you can protect yourself, then you are going to get trouble, because wherever you may go, you are not going to get the environment which is stress free. So stress management must be a very important part for any organization or any individual, because we are heading towards a scientific world where we are under influence of different kind of electromagnetic wave and stress related frequencies. So my humble request is, you have to study, you have to go to Google, you have to go to YouTube. You can get lot of resources out of it. It is not necessarily required that whatever I am saying you have to believe it blindly, because many big scientists, they did their work, their research successfully. I can talk about Dr. Hartman, Dr. Napier, Dr. Manfred Curie, and many more. I can talk about Von Paul in a Wilsberg in Germany. He has marked one particular area that the people, they stay to that particular line will be suffered by cancer. And it happened. It has proved. Hartman himself said those days, and in his very famous magazine, he said that cancer is a disease of location. So, knowingly or unknowingly, if we are staying within those area or aura of those malefic lines or grids, we have to suffer. So we don't know the way difficulties are increasing inside us also. I know a couple of people did lot of different kind of research by their own, and they have proved through machine that geomagnetic stress or electrosmog, it is really not allowing pineal gland to secrete melatonin hormone, and that's the reason lot of people, they are suffering from insomnia. many more diseases, heart attack. It is not happening earlier days so frequently. When I talked to a medicine company regarding it, they said that we are not actually concerned how this disease is happening. We are more concerned about the medicine. But slowly we are gradually depending on medicines more than our own well-being. So this video only I'm dedicating to my friends and my followers. Your awareness is important. Go and study yourself and try to protect yourself also. If any ambiguity is there, always I am there to support you. But definitely you have to be very careful because 5G technology is involved, is approaching us, and lot of electromagnetic waves are there. These are very much important for the mankind, but side effects are there. We have to be very careful. Thank you, my dear friends.